I'm Carissa Farley, and thank you for joining me. Among other financial concerns that so many Americans have right now, worrying about your parents' health and finances is a huge one. Where do you go for information on estate planning, long-term care and nursing home issues, Medicare and Medicaid? Joining us today is Pete Losavio of Losavio and DeJean to tell us all how not to go broke paying for long-term care. Stay with us. Ask the Lawyer starts right now.
Welcome to this edition of Ask the Lawyer. Ask the Lawyer is informative and exciting. Ask the Lawyer interviews authors, speakers, and entrepreneurs in all areas of business, so you become a much more informed consumer.
Mr. Losavio's practice is limited to asset protection, life care planning, and estate and tax planning and litigation. He's certified as an elder law attorney by the National Elder Law Foundation. Mr. Losavio is a member of the Special Needs Alliance. He's admitted to practice in the states of Louisiana and Texas. Mr. Losavio obtained a Juris Doctorate degree from Louisiana State University and a Master of Law in Taxation from the University of Florida. My parents are aging, and I have all of these concerns. Why does someone need a professional to help them with this?
As a person ages, they face complex and puzzling issues. They face the challenge of obtaining government benefits to pay for much needed health care and medical care. They can't afford to pay it, so they have to turn to the government. These programs are very complex, hard to qualify for, and in some cases designed to make you destitute.
Your education and your training in this area is tremendous. Why else should somebody come to you to talk about these issues?
Well, besides my credentials, my experience, and my education, I've had personal experience in dealing with this. My mother suffered from Alzheimer's for the last 5 years of her life, and I personally took care of her, and I'm very proud of that.
So we're going to talk about a lot of these issues on the show, but if somebody needs more information, they can go to your website. You also have more information available that people can look up and research?
I do, and then I also frequently speak and have free, no obligation seminars, and they can call the office and obtain the next time that I'm speaking.
One of the things that is most confusing to me is the difference between Medicare and Medicaid.
They sound the same, and a lot of people use the words interchangeably. They'll say Medicare when they mean Medicaid, and they'll say Medicaid when they mean Medicare. They're entirely two different programs. Medicare is a federally funded health program primarily for people over 65. It is an entitlement program. You pay into the system and then you become entitled to the benefits. Even Bill Gates will qualify for Medicare. Medicaid is a means-tested program, which means that you have to meet the income and asset requirements. Medicaid provides a long-term care benefit. Medicare has a very limited long-term care benefit. Under Medicare, the maximum benefits you can obtain is about a maximum of 100 days if you meet the requirements. The reason I'm talking so much about long-term care, that's what people need when they come down with Alzheimer's or dementia or have a stroke or Parkinson's disease. A lot of people think that that long-term care, custodial care, is covered by Medicare, but when they're struck down by a catastrophic illness or dementia or something like that, they find out that Medicare doesn't provide much of a benefit, and then they have to start privately paying.
Why should someone seek advice on Medicaid?
Well, the Medicaid system is designed to help you, but the problem is it's also designed to make you destitute. So unless you plan and take some kind of action, you're going to end up becoming destitute. But with proper planning and advice, you can protect your life savings. So by seeking advice, you can protect your life savings, you can obtain quality care, and you can have a great quality of life.
My conversations with attorney Pete Losavio continue right after this.